When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, today is gonna be kind of a tea vloggy unboxing. Oh my gosh, now my nose is itching. I feel like my skincare is going crazy right now. I tried a new day cream, but I think it has retinol in it. And sometimes I feel like I'm super sensitive to retinol and sometimes I do okay. I applied it like 15 minutes ago. And now my face like feels kind of itchy. Fingers crossed. I'm also trying a new neck cream. So we'll see. We'll see. How does it all go? I don't know. I've had this gigantic, painful face demon on my face now for like, I don't even know, you guys. 6 days, 7 days. Every day I wake up, I think it's gonna be gone. And somehow I swear it looks a little worse than it did the day previously. Anyway, you guys, I was trying to say today's video is gonna be part tea vlog, part unboxing. It's gonna be like a tea vlog with a purpose. Although I am drinking refreshing water right now. Sippy sippy. I am trying to make like overall healthier choices, both like drink and snack wise, and also just like exercising more this year. Forever a goal. But you guys, I'm always tempted. Every day I'm tempted by some new snack or drink that I see on Instagram. Oh my god, you guys, I'm rambling. Sippy sippy. To set the scene, I will tell you guys like what I'm unboxing today is a couple of Sugar Buzz minis. We unboxed these sometime last year, I think in like November. I have to admit I wasn't like super impressed by them, but if you guys saw my last Remint unboxing I did recently, y'all may know I'm on a goal right now to fill up a mini purse with a bunch of items that you would see inside of a real full-size purse. And the person I saw on TikTok had teeny tiny little lollipops, and I remembered that lollipops were an option for these. I really like the concept, but I just wish the execution of these was a little bit more detailed. I feel like for some reason, a lot of these, I think they're super impulse. Yeah, it's like they have amazing ideas, but sometimes they're just not as detailed as mini brands, you know, which is kind of funny because Super Impulse also makes World's Smallest, which I feel like are some of the most detailed mini things besides like Remint. So it's kind of funny that I feel like the quality maybe goes down just a little bit. We're about to open them. You guys, I feel like I'm in kind of a funny mood today because I have to be honest, I had a super productive day yesterday. I woke up at like 4:45 in the morning and I was just ready to jump out of the bed and do stuff, and I was like super productive all day until we ate dinner at like 10 o'clock at night, and after I ate I completely fell asleep. And so I woke up at like I think 6 this morning now, and now it's like 9:37. So yeah, I feel like I look like a mess because I definitely do need to wash my hair. And I had every intention to wash it yesterday. And then by the end of the day, I was just like so tired. I felt like I was like dragging myself out of the shower. I was like, I cannot wash my hair. So in popped the dry shampoo, and here we go. So I had every intention of honestly heading out the door to film a tea vlog. I have like a tea vlog in my mind. I've been wanting to tell you guys this story forever. It's like a scary story. I've been wanting to tell this story for like 2 months in a tea vlog for Graveyard Girl. So I had every intention. You guys, I had a rat bag all packed, ready to go. I wanted a tea vlog in the car today because I got a cute little, I don't know what you would call this, car seat, booster seat for my little Blythe doll. Do you guys remember him? He's like the tattooed skeleton guy. And I wanted to show you guys that, and oh my gosh. But y'all, the whole morning that I was like getting dressed, I had a sense of impending doom, like you shouldn't leave the house right now. And I just kept like pushing through it because I was like, oh my god, you're like literally being ridiculous, but I just kept having this sense of impending doom. And like, I was about to like put on my jewelry, and every step I was doing to go tea vlog, I just felt like this overwhelming sensation that was like getting worse and worse. And like when I walked downstairs, it was like really bad. So I just like canceled my plans and came back upstairs. Do you guys ever get feelings like that that you ultimately give into? And now I'm kind of like beating myself up about it because I'm like, you were literally just being ridiculous. But the other side of me is just like, you know, why? Like, it's not that big of a deal. I can just film it like later, tomorrow, whatever. But let me know, should I feel silly for like giving in to that notion? Do you guys ever get feelings like that? I don't know. Let me light a candle. You guys, should we do Snow Fairy today or 29 High Street? I wish I could do like a live, you know, I honestly like want to do more live streams this year. I feel like that would be fun. Do you guys remember my troll lighter from one of my latest AliExpress hauls? And you guys, I was like lighting this candle on Snapchat last week and I kept like burning my finger because I was trying to film myself lighting a candle so I couldn't like pick it up and do this as I'm doing now. And it was pretty funny. Also, somebody told me that these like more natural soy candles, it's a 4-hour burning commitment. I guess I just don't take very good care of my candles because there's no way I'm gonna leave a candle burning for 4 hours. I think I only have done that once in my life, you guys. Like the first year that I started buying Bath and Body Works candles at Christmas time, Dogman and I got a hot chocolate candle and we love the scent of it so much. We like lit the candle and then I guess we just accidentally fell asleep and we left it burning all night long. And the smell was so pungent. It was like bad at that point. You know, it's like when you smell something and it's like good and then you smell it too much and it's like not good anymore. Oh my God, you guys, we have the beautiful candle ambiance. Okay, I'm sorry if you've been waiting this whole time for me to actually unbox something. Maybe I should have just made this a tea vlog, but hopefully I'll have timestamps. So see what I'm saying? Here we go. We have this Bosco syrup. That's the weird thing that I keep noticing is a lot of these Sugar Buzz were mini brands in other seasons, or they are mini brands now. Like there's Flavor Ice and Otter Pops in these, and there was also Flavor Ice and Otter Pops in mini brands. But see, like this is just a little too squared. Now, obviously, maybe the bottle had to be larger so that they could put the mini minis inside. Let's see. Oh, these are actually cute. So these have 4 tiny little bottles of the Bosco syrup inside. You guys, I also forgot until I just looked at the exterior of the packaging that Pez is another option. I don't know why I'm literally showing you guys 4 identical tiny bottles. Pez is an option, and I feel like that would be really cute for a purse as well, like mini Pez dispensers. So I don't remember how many we get in these either. Oh my God, yeah, we only get 2. And then the other items that you get are the minis inside. So you guys, this does not feel like Pez or lollipops. And oh my God, it's Pez! I was not expecting this to be a box like this. See, these are not very realistic. I'm hoping that the little Pez on the inside though is gonna be why did I think it was a dispenser? That's a mini brand. I'm getting it confused. Okay, these 2 are, I'm tearing it. They're like stuck together. I'm actually having to tear it apart. Okay, but I do still feel like maybe this would be cute if I put both items in the mini purse. I could do like a set of Pez refills. And okay, can't really see that that says Pez. See, I don't know, you guys. I feel like I hate when I'm like complaining about something, because it's not that I like don't like it. It's just like I feel like such a good idea, but like, you know, so I guess the only other thing that is going on is I think for the first time ever, I got, can you guys hear my stomach growling? I got proper scammed on AliExpress, I think. And I'm like trying to like get the money back. I've already tried to like file a process with AliExpress. They were not helpful at all. I contacted the seller. They, of course, were not helpful at all. And I think it's because they like know, they literally know that they did not send me this item. And you guys, it's like such a bummer too what the item is, because I was so looking forward to showing this to you guys and like making content with it. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna try and like reorder it from another seller, because I know it is a product that is really real. I think I just like bought it from the wrong seller. I found the gigantic Crocs. I'm pretty sure these are like 2 foot tall, 3 foot tall. You don't get a pair, unfortunately. You just get one gigantic shoe. So I ordered this like last November, like last year at this point, because I honestly placed the order at the same time. Okay, we got Necco wafers. I'm pretty sure we got these before. But I did really actually like these Necco wafers on the inside because they specifically remind me, ooh, you know what? That's actually Sweet Tarts. I was trying to think. One of my favorite restaurants in Austin is Home Slice Pizza. And they do this little thing where they always give you your bill in a little cup. And I forgot, it's not Necco wafers. They put Sweet Tarts, like a mini roll of Sweet Tarts in the cup with your check. I always think that's so cute. So I bought the Croc shoe in November because I thought it would actually come at the same time and be part of the AliExpress, like the super weird and unusual AliExpress haul that I just did. What is this? Ah, this is the slime lickers again. I'm pretty sure we got that last time. These were some of my favorites. I'm pretty sure we got red last time. This time we got blue. And I feel like these are more real looking comparatively. So needless to say, every single other item that I ordered at that time on AliExpress in November definitely has been here already. Most of those items came like early to mid-January. I think I was like waiting on like one thing to come in, but this has a totally fake bogus tracking number. Ah, dang, we have another Bosco syrup. Oh, there went a Bosco syrup. So it's the same ones, the same little strawberry flavor. I don't think I would order these online again since you only get 2. Like I could have like selected them had I been in the store to ensure that like at least I didn't pick up 2 of the exact same ones. Oh no, you guys, this is a total duplicate. I forgot that about these 2. Like I guess whatever you get in the top also like kind of predetermines which one it's packaged with. Because it's Pez, and once again, I think it's gonna be, oh, but at least these like look a lot better. The label was like kind of funky on the other one. Okay, so on top, I know that we're gonna get a duplicate moon pie. This was one of my favorite ones last time. They are super, super cute, but we've already got them. But the little moon pies are cute too. You get 3 moon pies in there. 3 itty bitty baby moon pies. Let's see if it's gonna be a duplicate down there, because we have already gotten moon pies before, but I don't remember what came with them, if they are always like bundled the same. I kind of hate when they do that. I wish it was just like completely random every time, but yeah, I definitely remember getting these before, but maybe it was a different colorway, so maybe it's like slightly different. It is the Warheads Extreme Sour. And I think this is supposed to be a bag, even though it looks kind of like a square. Yeah, I was like joking that these literally look like raviolis. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know that I'm gonna gamble with these again. I'm kind of realizing, I think that that was maybe the problem with these is there was only 66 ever to collect, and now I'm remembering that there's not that many like large containers, and they're just counting like the little minis as like part of what to collect. Yeah, see, there's dum-dums. That's what I was trying to get today, you guys, was the little baby dum-dums. I also wish we would have gotten Peeps or like the toxic waste. I haven't really been able to get like my super favorites out of this, but I'm also now trying to look at their color chart to see. Okay, no, I guess they're all the same except for the toxic waste is really rare. Peeps pink and these like warheads and Mike and Ike's are really rare. You guys, I hope this video wasn't like super boring. I feel like I did a really bad job of explaining like the whole AliExpress situation. It's just like disappointing because I've honestly never had a bad AliExpress experience until now. Like I've always gotten the items, and I guess maybe like that's my fault, is this store only has like a 70-something% positive rating. And once this happened, like I started just looking at like the ratings of stores. I guess I'm just like a goofball because I kind of never pay attention to stuff like that. I mean, especially on shops like Wish and AliExpress and stuff, because I just feel like I basically already know what I get into with that. Like I know a lot of the makeup and stuff is fake. Like a lot of the items like are obviously going to be like lower quality because usually they're just like super cheap, like less than $1. So I feel like sometimes people like get disappointed in the quality of things, and that's why there's like lower ratings. But I've never just had something straight up like not show up. I feel like I'm like extra frustrated because this is like an item on AliExpress. It's probably like, since I did those weird costumes a couple of years ago, this is probably like the item I've been like most excited about. I guess you win some, you lose some, but I kind of just don't know what to do now. Like I kind of feel like I'm at a stalemate. Like the tracking number is not updating at all. Like it's not even progressing, like that it has left the shipping area or whatever, the shipping warehouse. So it's not like it's even like left somewhere. It's not like it's like stuck in customs or like it's just taking longer in transit. Like it's not in transit. So like, I don't know what happens here. Like I kind of thought AliExpress would like see that it's kind of like not a real tracking number. So I don't know. But yeah, you guys, today's video is so random, so rambly. What am I gonna do next? I also want to unbox Swamp Family mail. Also, you guys, there is still time to do Project Junk jackets. If y'all want to send a random piece of junk from your house to my P.O. box, I'm gonna do a live stream. I'm gonna unbox all the awesome items that y'all have sent, and then we're gonna affix them to a jacket. I think I'm gonna use a jacket that I actually got from the Thread Up 50-pound clothing mystery box. I thought like that would be perfect. And now I'm just rambling further. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!